What's up guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video, we are going to do a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Realme 8 Pro. Now before we start, here are some specifications. It comes with 6.4-inch Super AMOLED full screen display with Full HD Plus resolution. It has 90.8% screen to body ratio. It comes with 180Hz touch sampling rate and has 1000 nits of peak brightness. It has up to 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. Now this has game space and game assistant, so that helps in gaming performance. Powering all this is 4500 mAh battery and supports 50 watt super dart charging. It has single speaker at the bottom, which is high-res audio certified, powered by Dirac sound. Here are Antutu and Geekbench scores. This is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. Battery is currently at 49%. Now let's check temperature before we start. And it is 30 degrees on all sides. AC is running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 26 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Call of Duty. You can swipe from the edge for game assistant and get more in-game options here. This is how it looks. Now these are the graphic settings. Very high graphics and very high frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. There's also max frame rate, but the graphics come down to high, so currently not playing in that. As you can see, the visuals are great and the details are pretty good, and controlling is pretty nice. I couldn't notice any lag. Because of the punch hole being in the corner, the display feels more immersive.
Ready for deployment. Changing mag. Watch out! Grenade! Ready spotted.
It's been 15.5 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 40 to 41 degrees. On the bottom it is 37 degrees. On the back it is 39 degrees. And on the bottom it is 37 degrees. Now the battery came down to 43%. And the phone feels slightly hot on the display. So for approximately 16 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 6% of battery, which is pretty decent. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear camera for 3 minutes and check the temperature. AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is still at 26 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 42 to 43 degrees, on the bottom it is 36 to 37 degrees. On the back it is fluctuating from 39 to 41 degrees and on the bottom it is 37 to 38 degrees. Now the phone feels pretty hot on the front but not that hot on the back. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 212 photos in those 3 minutes, which is pretty good. And there is no throttling going on. So that's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Realme 8 Pro. Overall, you get a good gaming experience with Snapdragon 720G and that AMOLED display with 180Hz touch sampling rate. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think about this phone? Let us know in the comments below, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we'll try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.